everyone, this is Aishi watching Ash Things. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. So a couple of days back, I shared a question sticker on my Instagram story asking you people to put up questions you want to ask me. So after that, I didn't get there enough time to actually answer them. So I thought कि क्यों ना आज कर लेते because puja season is also going to begin from I think next week. So I thought कि आज ही कर लेते क्योंकि इसके बाद for a couple of days I am going to be a bit busy. So let's start. Also see who are with me in today's video. They are my plan buddies and everyone has their own name. That is the craziest thing I did with them. So yeah, let's take the first question. So the first question is from Sriyashi Singh. She asked me your favorite food. I don't have means कोई वैसा नहीं कि मेरा हर पल बदलते रहता है, कुछ वैसा पर्टिकुलर मेरे लिए कुछ है नहीं. तो फॉर फेवरेट यू कैन टेक मोमोज, सांबर चावल, these are my favorite food. Or tehri, these are my favorite food. But there is nothing particular in it. So going to the next question. The next question is again from Sriyashi Singh. She wrote everything. What everything you want to know about me? Because frankly saying it, I am not able to understand myself still now, because I think understanding themselves is an ongoing process and it belongs for whole life. It goes on for whole life. A person can't understand themselves completely. So I can't answer this question. See the wall painting behind me. It also says I'm flattening myself. I'm still understanding myself. So I can't answer this question. So the next question is from Nandini. So she wrote, what motivated you to make these videos? It's a very good question actually. I always wanted to find out the cause behind me doing this. So I found out that we belong to a generation where we have this habit of binge watching YouTube videos. For entertaining purpose, we are mainly dependent on Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon Prime. It be anything, but on digital platforms. So I thought, let's begin with this, and I love the I love the process of content creation, because scripting down ideas and giving it a different touch to a common issue, and enacting them and changing between the characters frequently, and especially experimenting my voice in it. So I thought let's start with creating YouTube videos. And also when I was in 7th or 8th, the YouTube started booming. At that time I saw the videos of Prajakta and Lily Singh. So I thought let's create something like that. So I started it. So that's what motivated me to start it. And also Nandi, thanks for asking this. The next question is from Khushi. So she wrote favorite book. There is no particular favorite book. Mostly I prefer Murakami books, or in Hindi Premchand, or though I don't know much writers in Hindi, that's a very bad thing for me. I should know them. But if you want to say it in a way, North Indian would of Haruki Murakami, or Murakami Haruki, whatever way you want to say it, it's a special book for me. Or you can say Ravan by Amish is also a book which had a different take. Or you can say that Shiva Trilogy by Amish also. Though I haven't read the last part of it, but yeah, it has a special kind of it left a special kind of effect on me. But there's no particular favorite book of mine. It's I am still exploring more books, so there's nothing like that. But if you go into a favorite genre of mine, so it can be suspense, rom-coms. But now I'm trying to diversify my interest into different kind of genre, and trying to take over interest over different things also, and trying to read more of the regional books like seriously or search in Bengali only, because if you get a dubbed version of it or translated version, maybe the real essence just got, I don't know, it's got just got bit. I don't like that. I'm thinking of buying a bowl of Hindi books, Hindi novels. Sorry, I said Hindi books, Hindi novels, because I think so. I don't know much of the Hindi writers, the Hindi literature, so I'm thinking of doing that. Yeah, thanks Khushi for asking, and thanks Yashi for asking those questions, and thanks Khushi for asking this question. So going to the next question. So there was one more question related to have I ever dated or not. I think it's from Anamika. I don't know where that question would disappear or what. But yeah, there was one question. So related to that, I have never dated anyone. I don't have any boyfriend, and I think dating apps is not my kind of thing. I am a bit old school person. So yeah. So there is one more question from Ankita about maintaining my studies along with this YouTube thing. So it sometimes get a bit tricky, or because I have to balance both the things well. Because अगर किसी को भी अगर इधर उधर किया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So I have some other things also, and also college societies work also. अभी अभी शुरू हुआ है कॉलेज सोसाइटी, तो उतना ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, बट इट विल इंक्रीज. सो या एंड yeah, it sometimes get a bit tricky, and sometimes you feel like छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ जाओ, but yeah, these things makes me going. So yeah, I love this hectic schedule of mine. So yeah, I love these things. So earlier this thing used to cause me a lot of trouble, but now I'm getting a bit adapted to this. So yeah, I don't know where that question also got disappeared, because I took a screenshots also of this question, and now while I'm checking the the responses on the sticker, then these two questions are not showing in that. So I don't know what glitch happened, but yeah, thanks Ankita for asking this question. Not getting any other question. Maybe it has got disappeared, or maybe it nahi aaya tha. So yeah, that's all the questions that were being asked, and I answered them all, I think so. One more thing, if you want any help of mine related to editing thing or related to anything of YouTube, so you can DM me. I will be very happy to help you out. Though I am also in a learning process, but yeah, I will be happy to give suggestions about what you should do. So yeah, I have nothing else to talk about. But yeah, puja season is about to begin, and how are you guys planning about it? This year also, because of the COVID circumstances, the things are gonna be a bit different. But yeah, precaution is always better than cure. Hey, let me introduce to my plant this. That's pom-pom, basically a purple herb. Tito, a snake plant. Bodu, lucky bamboo, and Gudgudia, a peace lily. So these are my plants. If you have liked the video, then press the like button and share. इसमें क्या शेयर करोगे. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you are new to this channel, and my Instagram link is also given in the description. You can go there and check out my Instagram page. So, yeah, thanks and bye, lovies.